seatbelt signs. This is your first and only indication it's safe to move about the cabin. Extra care should be used when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight. Please check seating areas, seatbelt pockets, and overhead bins for any personal belongings you brought on board with you. On behalf of this international crew based in Los Angeles, it has been our pleasure serving you. We hope in the future when your plans call for air travel, you once again think of us here at American Airlines, a founding member of the One World Alliance. Wish you a very pleasant stay here on Oahu, or the final destination may take you. And wish everybody a very happy holiday weekend. Mahalo.